Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was up 1.3% today. I talked yesterday about the strength that I was seeing in the market, and that's kind of what's coming through today. When you look kind of behind the scenes, you look at the breadth of the market, how many stocks are above their 10-day moving average and even their 50-day moving average. You can see some motion going on here that's been, I think, quite powerful, especially after all the problems we had at the end of last year and even the beginning of this year with everybody kind of selling either their gains or their losses. We seem to be through that point now. Now we can see kind of a normal market scenario. I think there's an expectation that tomorrow's CPI report is going to be pretty good. And, we'll see how that plays out. But mainly what we're seeing here right now is just a strong movement that's come up. If you look at the S&P 500, it's moved up into, an area where there's a lot of overhead resistance. 4,000, 4,100, two areas we've had trouble getting through on the S&P. We're at 39.68 today, so we're close. We also have the 200-day moving average and the trend line coming all in that same group. I think it'll take something really spectacular to get through that, but we're keep bumping into it. I think that's a great sign. See what happens with earnings coming up here. But there is some possibility, looks like that tomorrow's CPI report could even show a drop in inflation month over month. So November compared to December. And that would be pretty exciting. We haven't seen that for a long time. And we kind of need to see those types of things to get the Federal Reserve thinking, in a different way. One of the Fed governors came out today in an interview, said that they were kind of in favor of the quarter point raise. Sorry. And, they've been doing 3/4. And then the last one, they did a half. The expectation by the market by a margin of like 78% is that they will do a quarter point. So, but it was nice to hear that from a Fed governor, so they're starting to float that possibility. I do think the market running hard is going to worry the Fed about this, easing of financial scenario. But in the end, they really don't control that. So we'll see how that plays out. But nonetheless, look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow. I'll give you my, feedback on what I see in the CPI report. We'll hope for the best with the market. Talk to you then. Thank you.